Hey guys, I've gotten a lot of requests for this Fanimation soccer fan to be hung in the museum, and so I decided to do it. And since I don't have a video of it on my YouTube channel, I'm doing a video now. So it comes with its own built-in remote. I did not convert it to learning remote. If we have any issues with this remote, then I will. It's quite fancy. It's got a lot of features. So see here. That should be off, but that's low, medium. High. Okay, spin down. So as of right now, this will be the only fan in the museum with a reverse function on the remote. Again, I'll have to figure out how to convert it if anything happens to this remote. Or if we have interference elsewhere in the building, which I'm almost certain we will, because, oops, or if I just drop it and break it. Hopefully it didn't break. But yeah, we already have as many fans as there are throughout the building. I'm sure something else is going to be on the same frequency, which is why we use the learning remotes in the first place. Also, don't forget the light. Okay, so let's reverse it. I think that works. There's no indicator on here for forward or reverse. Nope. Did that work? There we go. Low. Medium. I don't notice a big difference between low and medium. High. Okay, let's reverse it again. Okay, let's do 0 to high. Okay, I'm gonna turn the fan off. I'm gonna hit something called fan auto. Well, actually, you know what? Let's wait for the fan to be off because can I reach it? No, I need to get a. Oh, I can't do that. I do it on camera, anyways. So let's do something called fan auto. So it's set to auto now. See what it does. As of right now, it's not engaged. The temperature is set to 72 and it's 66 in here. So I wonder if when it is cooler in the room than the temperature is set to, is it supposed to go in reverse or just be off? Okay, let's try adjusting the temperature. Let's go to, so I go to 65, and it goes to fan low. If I go to 62, then it goes to fan medium. And there's apparently not enough of a temperature gap possible on here for it to go too high. So it's based on however many degrees away. That's kind of cool. Well, I'm going to leave it set to 72 and fan auto, just because 72 I think is like the most generic room temperature. Either 72 or 68 are what I see most commonly. People saying if their thermostat is set to. So, okay, there you have it. Soccer ball fan.